Hi friends, welcome back to the Alphabet Adventure. Today we're learning about the letter G. This is the letter G. G can make two sounds,
J,
like in giraffe, and
G,
like in goat. Look at this giraffe. Giraffes are so tall they can eat leaves from the tops of trees. Can you stretch up tall like a giraffe? Next, here's a goat. Goats love to climb and say, and here's a gift. Gifts are exciting to open. What would you like inside a gift box? Which of these starts with G? Is it the giraffe or the frog? That's right, giraffe starts with G. Giraffe, goat. Gift. Let's pick up a book and read it now. Gabby the goat goes to the garden. Gabby the goat is looking for something to eat. She finds a green garden full of vegetables. Gabby eats grass and crunchy carrots. Yum, says Gabby, I love the garden. G is for goat. G is for giraffe. Today we learned all about the letter G. Giraffe, goat. Gift. Next time, we'll discover the letter H. Can you think of a word that starts with H? See you soon, friends. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more alphabet adventures.